Come test drive the 2016 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, wheel covers, remote trunk release. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.